I wanted to get out of the way.
So one of the things that I really took from this is partnering with people who already know what they're doing, like podcasters that, talk about familiar subjects, getting with them, messaging them, getting with influencers. Maybe they're not, check mark, but they're, enough to where you could partner and get the word out about your new business. So that really stood out to me.
Awesome. Is there anything you want to see in the future to work on workshops on?
Oh God, that's really on the spot. I have to think about it.
Okay, that's totally fine.
I would say maybe like influencers, people that have, done it from the very beginning and worked their way up, people who aren't super, good with social media and what they learned and how they got there and kind of like their journey from start to finish, maybe. That would be super helpful.
Awesome. And what do you do? What is your line of business?
So Sheila and I just started our new business. We've been in the construction and cabinet industry for collectively 22 years. I know I don't look that old, but I've been in the industry for 7 years. She's been longer than me, over 15 years. So we sell cabinetry. We have anywhere from non-custom lines to fully customizable lines that are manufactured in Barcelona. It's a super exclusive cabinet line. So we just wanted to keep it simple, not do plumbing, electrical, scheduling, framing, any of that anymore, and just stick with cabinetry because it's what we love to do. So.
Awesome. Can you state your full name and the name of your business, please?
Yes, my name is Haven Taly, and our business is Couture Cabinetry LLC.